The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. In this blessing, we see the depth of God's love for us, his mortal creations. It's as though the heavens open up to pour out his goodness upon us. The language used paints a vivid picture of a caring and attentive God who watches over us with a heart full of affection, blessing, and protection. When we're told, "The Lord bless you and keep you," it's a recognition of God's desire for our well-being. Just as a loving parent cares for their child, God watches over us, guiding us away from harm and providing for our needs. Radiant face and grace. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you is a beautifully expressive image. It's like the warmth of the sun breaking through the clouds, illuminating our lives with his favor and grace. God's radiant face is a sign of his pleasure and approval, and his grace showers us with unmerited favor, divine attention, and peace. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace is a powerful expression of God's attention. It's as if the creator of the universe directs his gaze solely upon us, acknowledging our presence with deep love. And in that gaze, we find peace. Peace that transcends our circumstances, bringing tranquility to our hearts. Overall, this blessing encapsulates the essence of God's boundless love for us. It's a reminder that we're not alone. We're cherished and watched over by a caring God who desires the best for us. It's an assurance that his light shines on our lives, his grace abounds, and his gaze brings a peace that cannot be found elsewhere. This blessing is a manifestation of God's heart, inviting us to experience his love, grace, and peace in profound